Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet this St. Patrick Day hat applique. Crochet St. Patrick Day hat applique. Make a slip knot and after slip knot make 45 chain crochet stitches. 45. Here I am done with 45 chain crochet stitches. Now starting from first stitch itself, we will make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. Okay, one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch till end. I'll just complete this. Done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. Then again starting from the first stitch, make one half double crochet stitch using front loop of every stitch. Okay, front loop of every stitch, make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Just remember, use only front loop of every stitch till end. I'll just complete this line and I'll show you. Done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your work. Then again starting from first stitch, we will again make one half double crochet stitch in each single stitch, now using back loop of every stitch. Okay, now done with the last stitch, just cut your yarn. We are done here. Now skip starting and ending 10 stitches. Put marker on 11th stitch. We will start from there, and from ending also skip last 10 stitches and put marker on the 11th stitch. Okay, then we will keep 2 loops on the needle, and we will grab the yarn, pull through and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, here. Now starting from first stitch itself, we will start making one double crochet stitch in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. One half double crochet stitch in each single stitch using only back loop of every stitch. Okay, and please place marker so we don't have any confusion. Okay, 11 stitch from starting and 11 stitch from ending, till in between these stitches only we have to make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch. Okay, I'll just complete this. Now done with the last stitch, make a chain crochet and turn your crochet work. Then starting from the first stitch itself, again make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch using front loop of every stitch. Please make one double crochet stitch in each single stitch till the end till end using front loop of every stitch. Now when you are done with the second row also, just cut your black yarn and turn your crochet work, as that was the back side. Okay, now again from the right end stitch we will keep 2 loops on the needle and grab the green yarn, pull through and make a chain crochet stitch. Okay, now see, we are going to make 4-5 rows lines. First and last stitch of every single row we are going to make 2 double crochet stitches in first stitch and 2 double crochet stitches in last stitch, and rest all stitches we are going to make 1 double crochet stitch. Okay, so when we start, when first row, we will be making 1 double crochet stitch in each single stitch except for first and last we will make 2 double crochet stitches. So we will make 1 double crochet stitch in each stitch using back loop. In first row, back loop. Second row it will be front loop. Third row back loop. Fourth row front loop. And in fifth, well, I am making only till fifth row. Okay, so fifth will be my last row. So fifth row, whichever your last row is, in last row don't make 2 double crochet stitches in first and last stitch. Just make 1 double crochet stitch in every stitch for complete row. It's only for last row you have to do that. Rest all rows, first stitch and last stitch, there should be 2 double crochet stitch in first stitch and last stitch. I'll just complete this whole thing and I'll show you. Now see, as you can see in the last row, we have got that curve. That curve we have got because we have not used two double crochet stitches in first and last stitch. It is one double crochet stitch in first and last stitch. Okay, now our hat applique is done. We need a buckle for it. So for buckle, take a yellow yarn, make make a slip stitch, and after slip stitch make 24 chain crochet stitches. Okay, 24 chain crochet stitches, and join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Now in first stitch itself we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Okay, in first stitch itself we will make 3 double crochet stitches. Then after that in second, third, fourth, fifth stitch we will make one half double crochet stitch. It's like one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, one half double crochet stitch in one stitch, and one half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, then when we reach the sixth stitch, again make 3 half double crochet stitches. I'm sorry, 3 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. Then it's like next 4 stitches we will make 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch, 1 half double crochet stitch in one stitch. Okay, and 12th stitch again we will make 3 double crochet stitches in one single stitch. So like we have to go on repeating this for in total we have to do it for 4 times. Okay, here we are done by 4 times. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. Okay, now we will make 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. 2 single crochet stitches in each single stitch using back loop of every stitch. Now done with that round, for the last round we will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it, our buckle is ready. 1 slip stitch in each single stitch, okay, all around, and then we will stitch this buckle in middle of that black strip on the hat. Okay, so our hat applique is ready. So this is how our Saint Patrick Day crochet hat applique look like. If you like the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe. And you will get link for complete leprechaun applique. It's given in the description. And I'm coming up with lots and lots of new videos, new appliques. So please subscribe to YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. And if you have already subscribed, thank you, thanks a lot, thanks a million. And if you have not yet subscribed, I'll request you to please do subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. As I've already told you, I'm coming up with many more new videos, and already lots of videos are there on my YouTube channel. So please subscribe Sanjs Aasha.
Thanks for watching my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.